Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can insert a blank new page into your PDF documents in Bluebeam Revu. So let us guide you through this. So head over to Bluebeam Revu on your device, navigate to your PDF document and click into thumbnail C on the left hand side. Next, right click into this space here, for example below the most recent or latest page, and then choose Insert Blank Page, or use the shortcut Ctrl-Shift-N. If you're using a Mac, Command-Shift-N. Then go through that setup here. For example, you may go with template, set the page width and height. I'm going to leave it just like that. Page orientation, portrait, and so on and so forth. Make sure that the style is blank. Page count 1, so you can insert 2 or more or multiple of these blank pages. And then what you want to do, guys, is adjust its position, for example, or set its position. Make it the first page, the last page, and in this case here it would be page 2 of 2. Clicking to OK, and as you can see, it has been added to the given document. Here, the blank page. That's how it works. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.